everyone! Today I want to show you an awesome card game for practicing integer addition. It's super fun, easy to learn, and you end up practicing mental math without even realizing it. I played this today with my grade 7 student, and he said without any prompting that this was a really fun game. I was very glad because I made this game up on the spot, and I want to explain all the rules here before I forget it. So this is how you play. All you need is a standard deck of cards with the Jack, Queen, King, and Jokers removed. If you want to try the advanced version later, you can add them back in for a twist. Flip over the first card in the deck. This card is the target number that you're trying to create. Black cards are positive, red cards are negative. The first player is going to flip over a second card and put it on the table face up. If we have a match, then the player keeps the card that made the sum. If it isn't a match, then the player has to say pass, and then the next person can flip over a card. Have we made the target sum? If so, the player is going to collect the cards that made the target sum. If not, then the player is going to say pass and let the next person have a turn. If nobody can make the sum after a few turns, this is where things get interesting. More cards build up on the table, making it easier for the next person to collect a huge stack of cards. The goal is to collect as many cards as possible by making the target sum. You can decide when to end the game, either after a set number of rounds or when the first player reaches a certain number of points. The player with the most cards at the end wins. Here are some tips. Think ahead. If you pass, you might be setting up the next player for a big win. Watch for 0 pairs. A black 9 and a red 9 cancel each other out and make 0, but they help add more cards to your stack. I would advise players to practice a few rounds so that they can understand how this game works. Once you've mastered the basic game, try this variation. We can make Jack, Queen, King, and Joker a multiplier of -1. For example, this is -3 and -2, but if I put a Jack here, it's -3 and +2. This helps players understand how negatives work. This game is fairly strategic, and it's a fun way to practice math. My student had a blast playing it, and I think other students will too. Try it out and let me know how it goes. If you come up with your own variations, drop them in the comments below. If you like this video, remember to give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more content. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.